This is the shampoo ginger, the flower. And actually flower emerges from that shampoo part. And then finally this one becomes red and filled with that that shampoo portion, which is actually a conditioner, hair conditioner. And also this liquid inside is drinkable, it's non-toxic, and it will already be having some water particles. That is, if you squeeze it, you start seeing. So there will be about almost 1 cup of that liquid. So even when before the flower is, this cone is ready, you can actually collect a little bit. You can bend it and squeeze a little bit. You will get some of that good stuff for your hair. And then this part little bit, this plant I'll tell a little bit. It's a member of ginger family. So rhizome will be there here. And thick mulch and all these plants like this. And that we are able to generate because we have a lot of trees here, or teak trees and all. So in this kind of shaded place it grows, and all parts are very attractive if you look at it closely. Even this one, it's beautiful. So then this one, finally this will ripen and become red, this one. And then some 4 or 5 cones are there in this. And if it dries up in the summer, don't worry, the life is in the root here, in the rhizome. So when the first rain comes, once again it will sprout and first leaves will come, this ginger part. Then the rest of the flower and all will happen. So it is worth 4 or 5 feet and all, depending on the location. This is the ideal location, and in non-ideal locations also it survives because it is a hardy species, doesn't get any disease and all. And here full shade is there all around, so this place hardly gets any sunshine, and it is cool and moist. And in this kind of location, in the shade, if you are wondering what to plant, this is a good plant for the shade. Easy to propagate also. From the that rhizome you can cut and propagate, and it looks also nice. And it's perennial, has mild ginger flavor and all, smell.